it looks like the Malecón had gotten pounded also. A lot of the sand came up here and they're hosing all the grounds off. And there's some of these rolling waves. Back up, Ron, it's gonna smash. It's gonna come over. The water's still coming up right here. The waves are still muy bravo. Woo. Oh, look at these things. Watch this one. So the waves were coming up all the way over this seawall here. And like I said, they're hosing a lot of this area off. Wow, look at all that sand and everything that was coming up. Again, we're walking down the Malecón. Trying to make sure I get everybody's haunts in here. This must have been something the other night when the waves were breaking over and all this sand that it was bringing, and the waves are still carrying a lot of sand.